Hello everyone, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about the new hashtag strategy which arises from the IG's catacombs. So basically, from the time has begun on IG actually, there was the hashtag strategy to use all the 30 hashtags, maybe in your comment, maybe in your caption. But nowadays, creators started to use different kind of hashtag strategies, which means that you used not banned hashtag, hashtags that has competition but not too much, hashtags that has big competition and you maybe get lucky, hashtags that has similar content in it, similar like counts and all kind of stuff um, in terms of engagement and content wise. And yeah, basically those were the hashtag setting strategies actually, which allow you to set your 30 hashtags. And I talked about how I set up my 30 hashtags and how you should set up your 30 hashtags actually on IG. But as we know, on other platforms there is not as many hashtags, or not, you shouldn't use as many hashtags. 3 to 5 is more likely will be enough on all of the platforms: YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. 3 to 5 is a sweet number to cross in terms of hashtags in other platforms than IG. So, what is the new strategy actually? So, the new strategy came from, at least what I read, came from an IG insider, which I don't really believe because they are not really giving out this kind of strategies, but let's say it's true. I came across with this from an IG page actually, which I follow, and by the way, he has really great content, but I can't recall the IG handle, so so that's it. But the thing is that he said that he got some insight about how the hashtags are ranking. So he said that you should use between 5 to 8 hashtags per post. Yes, out of your 30 hashtags, you just use 5 to 8 hashtags. 3 of those is part of your hashtag set, if you can call it, or content type. So basically 3 is like a constant hashtag which you use every day, and which not every day but in every content, because that's your niche, the broader niche of your overall site, which is makes sense because you have to declare to the algorithm that what is your site and what you're doing there and what you are basically wanting to grow in, and what kind of people's interests you are giving out. So it makes sense. Okay, so you get 3 out of the 8, because 5 is, let's say, it's nothing actually. So you get 3 out of your 8. Then I did 3 specific content types, so content type related. So let's say I put out the content that I do, and my 3 main hashtags was, so hashtag set was social media marketing tips, and another one which I can't recall. And then, as you know, I do content marketing breakdowns, advertising breakdowns, daily marketing tips, which are broader for broader audiences, and also monetizing updates. How to monetize businesses, certain businesses with online platforms actually. So I do this kind of content. So this is 4 types of content daily, by the way. So I use the 3 hashtags from earlier, and then I added 3 additional hashtags from all of my content types. So for the content marketing, I added 3 hashtags: content marketing tips, content marketing strategy, I believe, and then do this for all other 3 types. So you get 6 hashtags over, so you get 2 more. Then the 2 more would be the hashtags that is closely related. So if you have a bicycle, in your picture and you are usually posting about fitness, let's say, and you have a bicycle, sorry guys, you have a bicycle in your picture and you tag, not tag, but hashtag your bicycle, and you can use two hashtags. So in my case, for example, I did a breakdown on, I don't know, phone repair store. Then I searched up two hashtags which is relevant to phone repair store. Used the content marketing free hashtag, so the free hashtags for content marketing, the free type specific hashtag, and then used the free account specific hashtags. So I got 8. And the problem with this is it's a good way to actually clear up your algorithm. So it's a really good way to use it to clear up your algorithm, because if you do this and use this kind of hashtags and you are just doing more like one stuff, not like me that do content marketing, advertising, but basically this is in the same niche kind of. So it's yeah, but it's a good way to clear up your algorithm. However, it's not a good way to grow. Actually, I get less hashtag reach and less overreach from this than from my 30 hashtags. Actually 3 times less, because I tried it for a month. And don't say that I didn't try it. Yes, I have a small page, and also I tried it on my personal page and tried it on a few clients' page, and I did not get any good results that I should share with you guys, basically, because the thing is that you don't get as many reach from hashtags because you are not ranking in them, and you don't have the chance to rank in smaller ones because you are just using 8 ones. And if you use 30 and you use it the way I will tell you later on how you use your 30 hashtags, then you will be probably ranking in 1 or 2, or if not ranking, then at least get some traction, because this way you get 8 chances. So you get 8 chances to rank, and 8 chances to see your post in the first few minutes or first few hours, or some in the first few time frames, actually. But with 30 hashtags you have 30 opportunities to see, to explore other people's, and explore page is another topic, but with 8 hashtags you're not gonna get too far, and you're not gonna get as good of a chances as you could get with 30 hashtags, and you will not get as many reach. This is my problem with the 8 hashtag strategy. Basically you're missing out. I'm a big believer of efficiency, and by the way, the more is less sometimes, but not in marketing. Marketing is the thing that the more is more. The more is more. You do more, you get more. This is how it is. You use more hashtag, you get more reach. You post more, you get more reach. And you can't say that I didn't post enough and I did not post the things that go viral, because there was a few posts that I just reposted to see if how the new hashtag strategy work out, and they not worked as well as with 30 hashtags. So actually I tried it pretty well and experimented with it really thoroughly, if you can say it, but it's not working, at least for me. I'm not saying that it will not work for you or not work for anyone. I'm saying that it's not working for me, not doing its job correctly in terms of my content, but it's a really good way to clear up your algorithm. But let's talk about how you can use that 30 hashtags, because I said always that use your 30 hashtags. Now how? So basically the thing is, with your 30 hashtags, use 15 in a hashtag set. So create a hashtag set which is really powerful. For this I would recommend to experiment on like 10 or 15 content. Yeah, maybe it's a day for you. Probably not, but if it's a day for you, then yeah, good to you. But on 10 to 15 content, experiment with hashtag sets. And how you can get these hashtag sets, it's pretty easy. Go to your competitor, five or 10 competitors, go to their hashtags, full hashtag sets, so 30 hashtags, write down all. So you will get 150 or 300 hashtags. And compare what is the thing that is basically thing. Sorry. So the hashtags that are same. You will probably get maybe more than 15. So you need to choose then five smaller ones and it's depending on your account size, but 5 bigger ones, so like 150 million plus, 50 million plus, that's the bigger one. 10 to 50 million is the medium one, so choose 5 of this, 5 of that, and then under 1 million choose, under 10 million, let's say, under 10 million choose 5. So that will be 15 hashtags for your hashtag sets, and this will be the hashtag set that you will always use in your post. Okay, now this was in the hashtag strategy, this was the 3 hashtags. Now it's 15, 5 times more. So next you have half of your hashtag sets, so 15 hashtags remaining. So with the 15 hashtags, I would use 7 or 8 specific to that content type. So as I declared, I do content marketing, advertising marketing, and monetizing updates daily, and these are different content types. So I will use 5 to 8 hashtags to declare that content type. Okay, so I will go in and use 5 to 8 hashtags around that to just specify that content types in my page. Okay, so it's 5 to 8 hashtags, and there you don't need to aim for the biggest ones, but I would recommend to mix it up, so use bigger ones. But the most important thing about hashtags is to use relevant ones, because that's what the algorithm will catch up, and you need to use relevant ones which are in your niche basically. And this is why I said the competitors. But okay, let's say you are 23 or 20, then now you can get into the super relevant hashtags. So basically the One Piece hashtags, this is how I like to call the last piece, is the One Piece hashtags, which are basically super niche, super relevant hashtags. So for example, if I do the phone repair store breakdown, as I said, then I will hashtag phone repair store owner, phone repair stores, phone repair shop, blah blah blah, etc. And these will be small hashtags. Usually these will be super small hashtags, but that's cool because we need small hashtags because it's easier to rank on them. Maybe they will be dead if you do your hashtag research right, they won't, but at least you are trying all. And okay, but and 5 or 7 of these, 5 to 7 of this. And okay, but what if you just add 25? Then you can add 5 to your basic hashtag sets, and that's all. And you not need to always max out the 30, but it's not bad if you max out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative, and yeah, I see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Oh, what's back?